Hey everybody, welcome to the Mom Beach Household Cleaning Spreadsheet System video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Mom Beach Household Cleaning Spreadsheet System. Well, let's get started. So here's the beautiful Mom Beach Household Cleaning Spreadsheet System, and there's instructions here on this first page that says Getting Started, or first tab. And it tells you like additional input data. You can do like step 1, add the date you're planning for the top of the sheet. You'll see a calendar appear. Step 2, the task for the relevant date will appear automatically. You can check off the tasks from the monthly and seasonal columns you wish to do today. So these are all the instructions, and let's go to the daily, weekly input data. So you put where you want to clean right here. You can edit you just click the cell, and you can just edit. Like say I wanted to, clean the bedroom, like right here. And that's one of the things I want to do. That's in the kitchen area. You go to the bedroom, you could just put stuff here, you could just add it here. This is the bedroom, so we got the focus area, entryway. So if you wanted to edit more focus areas, you can do that here. And then we got additional input, so you got like monthly task, quarterly, biannual, annual task. You just click the cell and edit what you want inside there. And today, you can put what you want to do today. So when you're done, you click the check mark. You can change the date over here. And here too you can change the date. And you got monthly tasks to do. You can dust the tops of behind the furniture. These are all the things you could do. Then we got the weekly, what you want to do each week. And then what you want to do each month to help you clean better and then organize. You can also use this on your phone or tablets. You can take it around with you when you're cleaning up. And here's the cleaning supplies checklist and what you want to get at the store. Here's the shopping list. And then you got a laundry schedule. And you got cleaning tips. Like if you find some cleaning tips online, you can put them here so you can easily navigate them. So I hope you enjoy the household cleaning spreadsheet system. If you have any questions, please contact me at beck@mombeach.com. That's beck@mombeach.com. Well, happy cleaning. Have a great day. Goodbye.